Dean James at right-wing Tribune. Fox News host Tucker Carlson slammed Democratic California reps Adam Schiff and Derek Swalwell, saying that they should both resign for ruthlessly pushing the Russia collusion conspiracy theory. Carlson also called on President Trump to pardon Roger Stone very soon. Hours after it was announced that Robert Mueller had concluded his Russia investigation report, Tucker told his audience, "This has been a disaster." He made the point that after all these years, not a single American citizen has been charged with anything related to Russian collusion. The Daily Caller reports that agency officials said the report marks the end of the 22-month-long investigation, and no further indictments will be issued. The probe ends without any Trump associates being charged with conspiring with Russia to influence the 2016 election. Stone was indicted on January 24 on charges related to his testimony in 2017 before the House Intelligence Committee. And what about the victims of this monstrosity? Roger Stone is facing life in prison, Carlson said. All to find collusion. But there was no collusion. Stone is still looking at life in prison. Where is Roger Stone's pardon? His pardon from the president? Let's hope it comes very soon. Carlson also called out Schiff, Swalwell and CNN's Jeff Zucker for promoting collusion conspiracy theories throughout the investigation. How can we let the people who are responsible for it continue as if it never happened? The Fox News host asked. How can Eric Swalwell and Adam Schiff keep their seats in the House of Representatives? They should resign. How can Jeff Zucker remain at CNN after we now know that much of what his network told us for 2 years is a total lie? Article continues below video. Many people have had their lives ruined by the Mueller investigation. Some could die in prison, he said. We certainly hope that he does pardon Roger Stone. He's a great guy that got caught up in this filthy witch hunt. God bless. When you share to your friends, you greatly help distribute our content. Please take a moment and consider sharing this article with your friends and family. Thank you, we appreciate it. The leftists at Facebook decided they didn't like our message, so they removed our page and are censoring us. Help us fight back and subscribe to our newsletter so that you can stay up to date with everything Facebook doesn't want you to see.